Okay, let's chant the Omkar. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Keep the eyes closed, join the hands at back of the body. You can interlock the fingers. Bow down to the Mother Supreme Earth. Raise both hands up, away from the body. Push head and trunk further down. Inhale, come back up. Rub the palms against each other. Make them warm, generate urja. Place the warm hands all over the face and eyes. Blink the eyes few times in dark under the palms. Spread the fingers apart, slowly slide the hands down over the face. Gently open the eyes. And let's do some light exercise. Sukshma Vyayam. Let's bring both hands onto the knees. We will do 360-degree rotation at the waist. Deep inhale. As we deep exhale, bend from the lower back and all the way down. Circular fashion, turn the upper body towards one side. Inhale, come back up. Going toward the other side. Exhale, bending down. So biggest circle possible. Elbows will alternatively one fold, one will be straightened. To ensure that we are circling at our maximum, try to turn the head into the direction of the circle with closed eyes. Keep the awareness at the lower back and around the waist, and notice how the stretches are circling. Now do not forget the reverse direction, 4 circles in same direction and 4 circles in reverse. Okay, once you're done 4 and 4, then relax couple of times, breathe in and out, and then we stand up. Separate feet 4 to 5 feet apart. Interlock the fingers. Stretch both hands up, palms upside down. Deep inhale as we stretch palms toward the ceiling. Exhale, bend towards one side. Keep looking up through the other bicep. Elbows straight, knees straight. Inhale, slowly come back to center. Push the palms toward the ceiling. Exhale to the other side. Keep looking up through the bicep. Inhale, come back up. We'll do one more time, both the side. Very slowly, you can try to get a little bit more. Feel the stretches. Inhale, back to center, and complete onto the second side. Come back and separate the feet at the maximum. Bring both hands at the waist. We'll try to hold our hips, legs, feet in same position. We'll do Kati Chakrasana, rotating only the waist and above. Deep inhale. As we deep exhale, look back on one side. Feel the full stretches at the lower back and around the waist. Inhale, back to center. Exhale to the second side. Inhale, back to center. We'll do one more time. Back to center and complete onto the second side. Come back, bring both hands at the back, lower back, thumbs on the sacrum, deep inhale, arch backward, look into the back wall, feel the full compression at the lumbar area and extension at the lower abdomen area. Exhale, come back up, straighten the trunk, inhale again. Exhale, bend forward and down, try to push the head as low as possible. Inhale, come back up. And let's move in front of the mat. Put the mantra music. Let's follow the beats. Stay in Samasthiti while I put the audio. Then roll the shoulders back and down. And begin.
Surya मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः।
मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृ सूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृ सूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः ॐ सवित्रे नमः ॐ अर्काय नमः ॐ भास्कराय नमः ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः ॐ मित्राय नमः ॐ रवये नमः ॐ सूर्याय नमः ॐ भानवे नमः ॐ खगाय नमः ॐ पूष्णे नमः ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः ॐ मरीचये नमः ॐ आदित्याय नमः ॐ सवित्रे नमः ॐ अर्काय नमः ॐ भास्कराय नमः ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः ॐ मित्राय नमः ॐ रवये नमः ॐ सूर्याय नमः ॐ भानवे नमः ॐ खगाय नमः ॐ पूष्णे नमः ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः ॐ मरीचये नमः ॐ आदित्याय नमः ॐ सवित्रे नमः ॐ अर्काय नमः ॐ भास्कराय नमः ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः
Good morning, Hari Om, Jai Shri Krishna. Let's shake up the feet, thighs, hands, legs, the whole body to increase more blood circulation, heartbeat, more pulse. Some yogic jogging. And more relaxation. Lay down in Shavasana. Complete rest, full relax. Let all body parts, muscles, joints be on their own on the gravity. Close the eyes. Feel the body internally. Deep inhale, deep exhale few times. Then let the breath become completely natural, normal. Feel the body weight and notice how it gets transferred to the floor. Scan the body internally from head to toes, toes to the head, moving the awareness body part by body part. At each part, try to acknowledge any kind of sensation, relaxation, heartbeat, pulse, blood circulations, vibrations, anything, everything for 3 minutes. And time starts now. Okay, 10 more seconds to bring awareness back to the head area. Bring feet together, wiggle the toes, squeeze and release them, move them onto side by side. Turn the head on to both the sides as well. Then give body a big stretch, Yastikasana, stick forward, push all the toes together in one direction, palms or hands into opposite direction, full stretch, and relax. Bring both hands sideways, palms facing down, hold at the knees, deep inhale. As we exhale, drop the folded knees together on the floor towards left, turn the head towards right, push the palms into the floor and feel some greater twist, better stretches at the waist or at the spine. Inhale back to center. Exhale to the other side. Feel the stretches, feel the twist. Inhale back to center. Now lift the feet a little bit up. Exhale, drop the folded legs towards left, turn the head towards right. Back to center. Exhale, the folded legs towards right, head towards left for a few seconds. And then roll the entire body towards right. Continue with closed eyes. Inhale and exhale normal couple of times. And with help of the elbows and palms, gently bring the body into any comfortable sitting posture. We will do Chandra Nadi Pranayam for 1 minute. Make a Vishnu Mudra on right hand. Inhale and exhale through the left, using the right thumb tip, keep and holding the right nostril down. Deep inhale on left, deep exhale on left. And complete the round when we breathe out on left. After that, bring both hands into Dhyan Mudra. Relax shoulders, keep the back straight. Deep inhale and chant one long Omkar. Feel the vibrations. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Rub the palms against each other. Apply a little bit more pressure on the palms. Generate more urja. Make them more warm. Place the warm hands all over the face and eyes. Move the palms over the eyes. Feel the warmth. Gently massage the eyelids. Make the cup of the palms over the eyes and blink the eyes few times. Open and close. Slowly spread the fingers apart. Slide the hands down over the face. Gently open the eyes. Rub the palms one more time. Place the hand over the head, back of the head, neck, throat, shoulders, arms, trunk, legs, back. Throw out the body to spread the energy within. Hari Om Tat Sat Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning again, Jai Shri Krishna. Happy Tuesday. Mangal ka din, Shubha Mangal ho.